Another day, another crappy $100 profit. All right, today's stock is PEIX, Pacific Ethanol. This was from the watch list, so I'm sticking with that at least. I had it as a short, and it continues to be a short setup going in tomorrow, but it was very, very similar to my play on CDII the other day. It was a short, but I knew that a prominent short and a lot of followers were shorting it. So what I saw in the morning was a spike. Let me get the right screen here. You can see the run up here, several day run up, same old chart that I'm always looking at. And then this morning, right here, a prominent short, and followers were most likely shorting it. I saw it spiking up, so and going over the pre-market trading zone, and decided, well, I'll try the same thing I tried on CDII the other day, and schnizzle a little bit long. So I longed 1,000 shares at 240s. So right as it got above that kind of pre-market range, and then sold it probably 5 minutes later for $120 profit. Sold it at 255. I could have gotten a little better than that, but it actually ran up to mid 260s, but then started to fade, and then I think I got out at probably right in here when it came back down and just started getting messy. So I'm happy with the trade. It was profitable. It was really an experiment. Anytime it's profitable, you can't complain. I probably, in the past, I would have normally went in a little heavier than 1,000 shares, but I'm just kind of playing around with this stuff. And at least with 1,000 shares, if it fell apart on me, I would have easily been able to get out with a 10 to 20 cent loss, and would have only been a couple $100 loss. And I really just bought thinking, okay, who knows, maybe this thing can really run and take out the previous day's high at 275, which I never really thought there was any chance that it could do that. But I figured, what the heck, let's see what happens. So I'm happy with that, even though the profit wasn't great. 5% profit in 5 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes. I don't know, somewhere in there. I think it was under 10 minutes for sure. So move on to fight another day. Want to quick point out ALKN, absolute heartbreaker. This is the monster diesel fuel additive company that I've had on watch for several days and been totally unable to locate any shares. 50% drop today. Ugly. The biggest reason I bring it up is it's a real bummer how predictable these pump and dump type plays are. I mean, it runs up sideways, volume starts going away, and then dumps. I mean, look at that chart. It's ridiculous looking. And up from 3 cents to 60 cents, back to 30 cents. And now it's at that 30-cent support, and who cares? Move on. It'll probably be a penny again, but it's off my watch now. That big 50% drop, 1 day, half-hour drop is what I'm looking for. No borrows, so I missed it. We'll see you tomorrow.